Dear students, in this video let's discuss some basic facts about correlation analysis. First, we have to know what is correlation. Correlation analysis is the statistical technique that can be used to study the relationship between variables. So, correlation is a statistical tool which studies the relationship between two variables. രണ്ട് വേരിയബിൾസ് തമ്മിലുള്ള റിലേഷൻഷിപ്പ് സ്റ്റഡി ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു സ്റ്റാറ്റിസ്റ്റിക്കൽ ടൂളാണ് കോറിലേഷൻ അനാലിസിസ്. Now look at the definition of correlation analysis coined by A.M. Tuttle. According to A.M. Tuttle, correlation is an analysis of the association between two or more variables. That means correlation analysis is an attempt to determine the degree of relationship between variables. In correlation analysis, there are some methods and techniques used for studying and measuring the extent of relationship between two variables. Next, we move on to different types of correlation. Correlation can be classified into 7: positive and negative correlation, linear and non-linear correlation, simple, multiple and partial correlation. So we can classify the correlation into 7 types. They are positive and negative correlation, linear and non-linear correlation, simple, multiple and partial correlation. Positive and negative correlation. What is positive and negative correlation? Correlation can be either positive or negative. When the values of two variables move in the same direction, then correlation is said to be positive. If the variables are moving and varying in the same direction, it is called positive correlation. That means an increase in the value of one variable result into an increase in the value of other variable. Similarly, if a decrease in the value of one variable result into decrease in the value of other variable also. For example, generally the price and supply. Price and supply are positively correlated because when the price increases, the supply also increases, and when the price comes down, the supply also comes down. So the supply and price and supply are positively correlated. Then what is negative correlation? In a negative correlation, the variables are moving in opposite direction. That means the value of two variables move in opposite direction. So an increase in the value of one variable result into a decrease in the value of other variable. Similarly, the decrease in the value of one variable result into an increase in the value of other variable. Then this type of correlation is said to be negative correlation. For example, there is negative correlation between price and demand. Because with a fall in price, the demand goes up, and with a rise in price, the demand comes down. So there is negative relationship between the price and demand. So therefore there is negative correlation between price and demand. Then the next classification is linear and non-linear correlation. The correlation may be linear or non-linear. What is linear and non-linear correlation? when the amount of change in one variable leads to a constant ratio of change in other variable, then the correlation is said to be linear. For example, if the price goes up by 10%, it leads to a rise in supply by 15% each time, then there is a linear relationship between price and supply. അതായത് രണ്ട് വേരിയബിൾസ് തമ്മിൽ ഉള്ള റിലേഷൻഷിപ്പിൽ ഒരു വേരിയബിളിൽ ഉണ്ടാകുന്ന ചേഞ്ച് മറ്റൊരു വേരിയബിളിൽ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന ചേഞ്ച് ഒരു കോൺസ്റ്റൻറ്റ് റേഷ്യോയിലാണെങ്കിൽ അത്തരത്തിലുള്ള കോറിലേഷനാണ് ലീനിയർ കോറിലേഷൻ. That is, the amount of change in one variable leads to a constant ratio of change in other variable. That is linear correlation. Then what is non-linear correlation? If the amount of change in one variable does not bear a constant ratio to the amount of change in other variable. When the amount of change in one variable is not in a constant ratio to the change in other variable, then the correlation is said to be non-linear. For example, we can say when we double the quantity of fertilizer but the production of paddy is not doubled. Next classification is simple, partial and multiple correlation. On the basis of number of variables, we can classify the correlation into simple, partial and multiple correlation. What is simple correlation? When only two variables are studied, it is called simple correlation. That means in the study of relationship between variables, if there are only two variables, the correlation is said to be simple. For example, correlation between price and demand. This is simple correlation. Then what is partial correlation? Here two or more variables are recognized, but only two variables are considered for the study and keeping other variables as constant. So in partial correlation, we study the relationship of one variable with one of the other variables, assuming that other variables remains constant. For example, three variables such as yield of rice, amount of rainfall and temperature. In this study, we can consider yield and rainfall relationship by assuming the temperature as constant. Then what is multiple correlation? In multiple correlation, three or more variables are considered for the study. For example, study of relationship between yield of rice and both the amount of rainfall and temperature. So in multiple correlation, three or more variables are considered for the study. So these are the types of correlation. They are positive correlation, negative correlation, simple correlation, partial correlation, multiple correlation, linear correlation and non-linear correlation. So in this video we have discussed about what is correlation, then definition of the correlation, then the 7 types of correlation. So let's wind up this video. Thank you.